Okay, this drawing is going to be a continuation of our work with patterns, and I'm going to cheat a little bit on this drawing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get my hand, I'm going to put my hand flat on the page, and I'm just going to draw around my hand. So going round my thumb, round my fingers, keeping as close as possible to them. Like so. So now I've got a picture of my hand. And once I've got it drawn like that, I can draw into it with a darker line if I wanted to. Now what I want to do now is start working on this with some of the patterns we looked at in the tree drawing, using the same pattern references. So what I'm going to do is start separating parts of this off now. So I'm going to pick up here, come round, go up into here, come down and come to here, so I close that whole area off. I can then put a different pattern on this side and this side when I'm working. You can put the patterns wherever you want, but what I want you to do is use different patterns when you're doing this. So I'm going to go on to the fingers here, and I'm going to put a band around there, band around there, band around there, and band around there. Now I quite like those, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some colour to those. By colour I mean tone, because I'm keeping it relatively black and white, but you can use colour if you want to. Or you can just work in the colour pencil if you want to. So I've made that nice and stripy. Okay. I'm going to do something similar up here. I'm going to put a line across there, and on here I'm going to put lines going this way, like so, and maybe just crisscross those as well. And then I could put some tone in there by doing a checkered pattern. Quite like this area here, so I'm going to put a nice spiral in there. Like so. Where I've got it here being separate, I'm going to put a different pattern in here to what I'm going to put in just here. So here I'm going to start to put in a curvy line, 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 curvy line. Notice I'm not going in the middle bit to touch the lines. On the outside I am touching the lines, and that just makes it, I don't know, does something nice. I think it gives me this boundary more clear and the pattern floating more there, which is nice. So put some more at there. Then in these, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put little circles. So in one, not in the other. So I've got a stripe thing going on. Oh, that's interesting. Going slightly off there, but never mind. Okay, which is cool. And what I'm also going to do on here is all of this I'm going to tone in, which will take quite a while, so do apologise. Like so, and I could make the dots different colours. And basically we're just going to go around now, just filling up the areas with different types of patterns. So in here, putting some nice patterns in there. And then what I can do is I can put little diamonds in side these. Like so. On the other side, I'm just going to do a big band here. And then I'm going to do a few circles in there. And then around here, I'm going to do a sort of pattern which comes round. Like so, and I'm going to make that stripy. Like so, and then I might just add colour every second one. Like so. And then in these gaps here I might just put circles. So we're gradually just building up a patternation in the shape of the hand. And remember, you can use any pattern you want, so do play with it. At the end I would just go around the outside and make it more solid as a boundary, so it contains all the pattern and tone inside the hand shape. Now you can do this black and white, which is about contrast, which is nice, or you can do it using colour. If you're using colour, I suggest you just choose 2 colours and add those on top of the pencil. Okay, so have a go.